One fine day, when my father could not breathe comfortably, we realized after taking him to an emergency hospital that he had his kidneys had failed. A lot of learning as a patient, a lot of learning as a caregiver, and it went on for a few months, after which he passed away. And that hit me so hard that I realized that we need to do something in this space. Adharshala Renal Care Project is addressing the growing need for affordable dialysis treatment and offering a beacon of hope to patients who otherwise struggle to access essential care. I started Adharshala in 2004. Recently, for the last 3 years, I've done a lot of research with caregivers, patients, hospitals, and realized the gap in dialysis services. Of course, it was a very passionate moment when I actually was a caregiver for my father. I realized the problems that a kidney patient has and realized that there was a gap in dialysis services in hospitals.
मेरे हस्बैंड एक मैकेनिक हैं जिनकी बहुत कम सैलरी है, तो हम इतनी ये डायलिसिस अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे, जो कि मेरे को 2020 में पता चला था कि मेरे को किडनी की प्रॉब्लम है। हम पहले प्राइवेट कराते थे, पर बड़ी मुश्किल से हमने 2 महीने कराई प्राइवेट डायलिसिस। इसके बाद हमें पता चला कि हम डायलिसिस यहाँ लेडी हार्डिंग में करवा सकते हैं बिना पेमेंट के। तो यहाँ पे सब कुछ फ्री है, इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं।
बचपन से दिन में दिखता था।
अच्छा।
और रात में नहीं दिखता था। और अब जब से तबीयत खराब हो गया है, जब से बिल्कुल बंद हो गया, मतलब बीपी हाँ हाई रहता था, पहले रहता था, अब नहीं रहता जाता।
As I look back, the whole project had to be designed in such a way that we take care of each and every component of the project. In terms of diet counseling, we also take care of the caregivers, because the caregivers are the most important people in this journey. So this caregiver area with recliners has been planned for these people to rest, relax and rejuvenate to take care of their loved ones. So that need-based analysis helped me create a research project which led to the establishment of Adharshala Renal Care Project.
And we are very happy that it has been launched today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And it's going to help so many people
Yes, ma'am.
who are going to benefit from it. And people who cannot afford it, they'll be able to use this.
ये नीना जॉली और गीता जी जो हैं, इन लोगों ने जो आधारशिला का ये बना के रखा है, इसका कोई महत्व है? ये क्यों ऐसा बना हुआ है? एक तरफ नीना जॉली है, दूसरी तरफ गीता जी है, दोनों में से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
We were very lucky. We had support from many people, from funders, from hospitals, and we were able to sign MOUs with the most leading hospitals in Delhi, like Safdarjung Hospital, RML Hospital, Lady Hardinge Hospital and its associated hospitals.
I think this is an excellent initiative taken by Adharshala and the rest. Lot of inputs are needed from all walks of life. The government is already doing a lot, but this initiative will certainly strengthen our effort in making the lives of children with kidney diseases better.
Through strategic partnerships and the generous support of multiple donors, we have been able to bridge the gap in dialysis accessibility in the Delhi renal space.
This project with Adharshala, the provision of dialysis machines at Lady Hardinge Medical College that will be run in partnership with Adharshala, is one step of that vision to make healthcare accessible and to bring quality healthcare to people, to bring preventative healthcare, but also raise awareness about education and how to really stop the disease from even starting in your life.
With Neena ji being here and the Safdarjung Hospital being as dynamic as it is, what I'm sure of is it's not just about providing those dialysis machines. I think it's important that it runs to make sure that the desired people receive the desired treatment.
I'd like to express my sincere gratitude for the CSR project of providing us 3 hemodialysis machines along with 3 technicians, which will help us in our way for the next 3 to 5 years. So I'm really, really thankful for that.
Firstly, as I said, it is an honor. It is an honor because what little I have learned about Adharshila, it's an amazing work that is being done. You know, while the contribution that is made by the Adani Group, and I will very graciously convey all the wonderful words that have been said to the chairman, Mr. Gautam Adani, but the fact is that's only one bit of the stool or the tent, as you said. You know, it's like a tripod.
आधारशिला ने बहुत अच्छा एक कदम लिया है जो कि लेडी हार्डिंग को सहयोग दे रहे हैं कि हम अपने रीनल डायलिसिस को बढ़ा सकें। हमारे पास थोड़ी कम फैसिलिटी थी, उनके सपोर्ट से हम ऑलमोस्ट 10 गुना इसको बढ़ा रहे हैं। इसके लिए बहुत आभार आधारशिला का।
Because it's a great pleasure to be part of this inauguration, but really I've been to that facility also. I'm seeing that everything is so beautifully done, and thanks to Adharshila, thanks to Lady Harding, they have done an excellent job. And certainly to add to values, whatever the patients have been suffering and all, L&T has done a small bit of that in add-on to add to that whatever that sufferings can be reduced.
So we are grateful for that because now we will be able to serve the patient. We had earlier 2 dialysis machines, now we have 22 now. So that is one part of it. The other part is that we have started screening of patients. Whoever patients are coming in medicine OPD, now they are being screened for kidney diseases. So we are testing them for height, weight, to check for overweight and obesity. We are checking for blood pressure and even sugar and urine albumin to detect early kidney involvement.
So as of now, we've gone deeper into this project to realize the potential that it has in renal care. We have dialysis, we have chronic kidney disease screening, we have pediatric dialysis, and we also have pediatric nephrology training programs and distance learning program with George Washington University. So everything focusing on renal care has brought this project to a point where we have a lot to do, we have a lot to learn, we have a lot to be together and build more impact. And we would like to go pan-India in the research and training with medical teams. As we stand today, we have completed in less than a year 14,000 dialysis, screened 30,000 people and trained more than 100 doctors. So I'm very happy that this project is going very well, and we need more and more support, more and more people joining in so that we can do much more impact in this.